Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to record audio on Android. So for this, search for your any kind of recorder app. If you don't see this app here, then go for his search bar and search for audio or just go for recorder. You can see this is the sound recorder here. Then just tap on this red button. So I have already recorded the screen recorder on, that's why just I'm not doing this. So yeah, you can just go for the red button and you can see all of your recordings here. So yeah, that's how you can record your audio on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.